Hello, all right, so here we go. We're going to open the Sonic face wash, and it's an electronic wash, so I'm really excited to open this. So we're gonna unbox it here. All right. Oh my god, look at the cute little packaging. I like pink. Woo. Okay, so inside the package, besides the pink papers, and I'm happy it's paper, you've got the top Sonic Facial Sonic Cleansing Device. I got my, and there's nothing else in the box, so we're gonna put it away. Okay, so we've got the skin drill, and we're gonna go over this on my face. I got a lot of makeup on, and you're gonna see all the blemishes, but it's gonna clean all of this off. So step one is to warm up, wet the face, and use the device in the shower if you want. I like to do it in the mornings, in the afternoons. Apply the cleanser on step 2, Skin Fit, or exfoliating product to the 3D Sonic Cleanser, this one here. And there's 3 modes. There's red light, collagen and cell renewal, green light, skin rejuvenation, and blue light is acne fighting. I need that one because you guys can see there's still some stuff in there. And then step 3 is hydrate. I like to use my own oils. I like to use jojoba oil and vitamin E. And step 4 is share your skin gains. So maybe over time you can share all of the steps that it took for your skin to be glowing. So we're gonna open this. This is what the packaging looks like. Okay. Got this, which is perfect. I love that you can do it in the shower though, because there's a lot of them that you can't. So I'm really excited. I kind of don't want to ruin the packaging. So here we go. Something comes out. Clean. Move all of this out of the way. Ooh. Oh, yes. Okay, so the pink one is coming in and I got a blue one. Okay, so this is the instructions. It looks so cute. Oh my gosh. And you have, this is the charger. Okay, we're gonna do that in a second. Look at this. It is so cool. I don't know where to put this. There we go. Oh my gosh, it's so small. And it seems really, really high quality product. I love this. And I love that it looks like the water. I love anything abstract. So I'm assuming this is where the charger goes in. We still have to charge it. So you got all the bristles. This is really exciting. You got the different modes. All right, we're gonna test it out. Alright, so you have the little bag that you can put it in, and you've got your charger. So we're gonna open it up. Oh, it's like a satin bag. It's so cute. Super cute. I'm gonna put it in there right now. And I love that there's a lid. Then you can do it in the shower. All right. You got this long cord that you can put it in your bathroom. Maybe right before you shower, you have it set, and all you have to do is reach over, unplug it, and then wash up. There you go. All right, we'll be back. All right, so there are 3 different settings on here. The first time you take it out of the box, I would charge it for about 12 to 24 hours for the very first time, as it's never been used before. We're gonna pop this up. And there's 3 different settings. There's red light, which is good for collagen production and skin cell removal. There's green light, which is good for skin rejuvenation. So this is the green one. So this is the red one for skin cell removal. And so the collagen production and skin cell renewal. The green light is good for skin rejuvenation, calming, and cooling. And the blue light is good for acne fighting and bacteria killing. So you can see the 3 different settings. You got the blue, you turn it off. There you go. So once you hold it in for a long time, it can lock and unlock. So you got the green, you got the red, and you got the blue. Okay? So I would just cleanse in circular motions all over the face and neck. You can rinse with your water and then apply any treatment afterwards. This will make your skin feel alive from the high frequency vibrations, and make sure you use this device regularly for the best skin gains and keep your skin fit. We're gonna put it on.